Imagine a fender bender, a hit and run, or just needing undeniable proof of what really happened on the road. What if you had a crystal clear, ever-present witness? That's what the new ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam delivers. It's a comprehensive guardian for your vehicle, front and back, packed with cutting-edge tech for your driving peace of mind. First up, let's talk about the footage. The ROVE R2-4K dual captures stunning 4K 2160p from the front and crisp 1080p from the rear simultaneously. You'll capture crucial details like license plates, road signs, and even faces with incredible clarity. But what truly sets this apart, especially when the sun goes down, is the revolutionary Sony STARVIS 2 sensor in the front camera. Paired with a wide f1.5 aperture, this isn't just good night vision, it's super night vision. Even in challenging low-light conditions, your recordings will be brighter, clearer, and more vivid, ensuring reliable evidence no matter the time of day or night. With a wide 150-degree front and 140-degree rear view, you won't miss a thing. Ever tried to retrieve footage from an old dashcam? It's often a clunky, time-consuming process. Not with the ROVE R2-4K. This dashcam features ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly connect to the ROVE app on your smartphone. Imagine downloading a critical video clip at blazing speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second directly to your phone. No more fumbling with SD cards. You can view, manage, and share your recordings on social media or with your insurance provider, all within seconds. Plus, managing settings and updating firmware is a breeze, all done wirelessly through the intuitive app. This seamless connectivity truly puts convenience at your fingertips. Your car isn't just vulnerable on the road, is it? That's why the ROVE R2-4K includes an essential 24-hour parking mode. Utilizing the built-in G sensor and motion detection, this camera acts as a vigilant sentinel, recording any bumps or suspicious activity around your parked vehicle, providing invaluable evidence in case of a hit-and-run or vandalism. For undeniable proof, the integrated GPS records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly onto your video. You can review all this data using ROVE's free GPS player on your computer, offering an irrefutable timeline of events. To top it all off, it even comes with a free 128 gigabytes microSD card, so you're ready to go right out of the box. So, whether you're a daily commuter or simply someone who values their investment, the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam offers unparalleled peace of mind. It's more than just a camera. It's an intelligent, reliable eyewitness that protects you and your vehicle around the clock. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in your safety. Invest in clarity. Invest in ROVE. Ready to upgrade your driving peace of mind? Find the link in the description below to grab your ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam today and drive with confidence.